Doubles, guys.
Go suck your mama.
Get a job.
I'm a job with that batty man.
No, now you're so broke. You're Pops YG Sechan. No, thank you for the whale die.
Go suck your mama.
Stop saying that. Shut up. Who that be? Thank you so much. Do not bring my mama into this.
Me fuck your man, no. No, me fuck your mafia. Me will fuck out all your man, mama. You have somebody? Ask your man how much time in suck me cock. Dog shit. Oh, don't bring your man in.
Are you Russian that?
No wonder he don't have points. Ugh.
My side, don't follow me on my team.
Alright, people like you, man.
Pops YG, I think the reason you're not getting support is because of gotti in the back.
Go suck your mama, batty boy. I don't call me name.
Gotti is stopping your bag. You need to remove him from your house. Remove that negative energy.
See you next
He
time.
is bad luck. I'm telling you. Let me tell you something. He is bad luck. Remove him away from your life.
Go suck your man.
Stop, Gotti. You only have one thing to say.
Bumbuckler, eat that boy.
One Chrissy Badness. Chrissy Badness, you can't make me win that game, yeah. Nobody.